how to perform rolling update with Ansible in Debian-like system. I'm going to show you in a live demo and some simple Ansible code. I'm Luca Berton and welcome in today's episode of Ansible Pilot. Today we are talking about rolling update on Debian-like system using Ansible module apt. We already talked about this module for installing packages, but we would like to consider another use case. This module allows you to manage packages with the apt package manager. The parameter list is pretty wide, but today we are focused on these 4 options for our use case. The name parameter could be a package specific, or we could select all the packages of the system with the star symbol. The state for this case need to be latest, so we target the latest version for every package in the system. The update cache is useful to force the update of repository metadata before the installation. Another useful option is upgrade with 4 alternatives. If safe, perform an aptitude safe upgrade. If full, perform aptitude full upgrade. If dist, perform an apt get dist upgrade, which are the different options of making a distribution upgrade in a Debian-like system. Let's jump in a real-life demo of a rolling update on Debian-like system with Ansible Playbook. And welcome to my editor. Like always, we start with a --, which means that is a YAML document. Then first the name of a play, in my case Rolling Update Demo. Then we are going to specify the target host, in my case all, and then become true, because we need a privilege escalation to being able to install packages in our system. Then our task list, in my case only one task, named ensure package updated. Makes sense. Then let's specify the full name of the module, so ansible.builtin.apt, and then the name of the package we would like to keep updated. In my case, nginx, state latest, and I'm going to use also update_cache because I would like Ansible to sync the metadata before updating the package. Are you curious to see the result? Let's go! And welcome to my console. So the first step is connecting to the target machine to demonstrate that nginx is not installed at the moment. Let me switch, I'm using the user DevOps and then switch to the root user. Then I could execute apt list nginx to see the all available version, in my case 1.18, and let me use the parameter -- installed to list an empty list, so which means that nginx is not installed in the specific machine. As you can see, is Ubuntu 20.04, which is the latest stable release. Let me execute my playbook with Ansible-playbook -e, specify my inventory file for the Ubuntu machine, and then the playbook that I just typed. So rolling update apt-nginx.yml. After performing the initial check on the target machine, which gives a OK status, which means Ansible is able to connect to the target machine, it's taking a while on ensure package updated because I requested also to update the metadata of the repository, and I'm expecting that under the hood Ansible is executing apt, and let's see changes status, which means that was executed an update on the target machine. Let me replay again the playbook, and I'm expecting OK status, so no further action because idempotency. Is a good habit also to log in on the target machine and check it out if the package is successfully installed. Let me list again Nginx 1.18, which is installed, -- installed. We have a different result, as you can see, is marked as installed in our system. So we successfully installed and maintained the latest version on this target host. After successfully maintaining one package up to date, we would like to maintain all the system up to date. So let's update the description of our task to ensure system updated and the name of the packages that we need to maintain. In my case, I'm going to specify the star symbol, which means all the packages currently in this machine. Let's get back to my console. Let me connect to my target machine just to check it out if there are some packages to update. This is the first time I'm connecting, so I need to accept my SSH key. Let me switch to root user. Let me have one update of metadata with apt update. Done in 5 seconds. And after this, apt utility is going to evaluate if there are some updates, and there are 116 packages can be upgraded. Let's take a look. There are about 257 megabytes of archives, and after installation 400 megabytes of additional disk space will be used. Let me exit the target machine 2 times because I was a root user. Then let me execute the playbook with Ansible-playbook -c my inventory file and then my playbook file. In my case, apt-system.yml. After the preliminary connection, the system is going to spending a while on the ensure system updated task. Let me quick remind that this task is going to fetch the metadata and ensure that are up to date, then calculate the necessary upgrade, download all the packages, set up and verify using the apt utility. On my target machine is going to take a while, as you could imagine. And Ansible is going to report the status. In my case, I'm expecting a changed status if some packages are updated, and OK if the package is already present in the system. So let me shorten a little bit the video and demonstrate the result. And here we are. Ansible is already nearly to finish, and let's wait the change of status of a task. So we are going to present this result yellow color for changed. Here we are, As expected, some packages were installed. Let me execute again this playbook just to double check if some other update is going to be performed. In my case, nothing is going to execute because status is green. Let me connect to the target machine and verify if there are some upgrade left in the system. So like sudo su again for root user, and apt upgrade will show you 0 upgraded packages. Now you know how to perform rolling updates in Debian-like system. Subscribe to channel not to miss the next episode of Ansible Pilot. Have a great day!